Now, the first experiment we're going to do today is about the water cycle. If you've done Curious Kids before, you might remember we've talked a bit about the water cycle and about solids, liquids and gas, and how water heats up and moves apart and becomes a gas, and how a gas tries to fill up all the space. So we're going to start with our jar, and we need to pour some hot water into our jar. I've got a pickle jar because at my house we eat a lot of pickles. So let's grab some water and pop it in. Now I've just boiled my kettle and I'm going to fill it up about a third of the way. Oops, I've poured water on the table. And then I'm going to put the bowl on top. So where shall I put that you can see it? All right. Now we're going to wait a few minutes for that. So once you put the top of that on, we'll just have a little wait for a few minutes. So if you want to say anything to me, now's the time to do it. You can unmute yourself and let me know what you've been up to. Okay, so we've let our jug of water sit for a few minutes with our dish on top, and now hopefully you have some ice. Look at all of this ice. I'll tell you a little story. Alyssa, who works at Discovery, I asked her yesterday because I wasn't here, I asked her to freeze some ice. So she froze it for me, and that was very good. And I came today and tried to get the ice out, and I ended up breaking all the ice trays. That's never happened to me before, but it's fine. So let's pop some of this ice on top. Now, so you can see we've got the jar, we've got our bowl, we've got our ice on top, and I want you to have a real careful look at what's happening in your jar. And maybe you can talk to the person you're there with. What's happening up the side of your jar? What do you see? So what we were talking about is that this is like a water cycle. So the water got really warm. So now it's traveled up as gas, which is like air, into the sky. It's reached the top. Now the ice is cooling it back down again and making it water again. So then now it's dribbling down the sides like rain.